Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing well. In this lecture, I will be discussing the dictionary data structure in Python. So let's get started. We know that dictionaries are a collection of keys and values pair. So in dictionary, one of the important things that we must note that's whenever we want to structure our data will always be in the terms of key and value. So it's always pairs. It's not only value, it's not only key. When we are talking about dictionary, it has key and value. The other thing that we need to talk about dictionary, that one of its properties is this, that dictionaries are mutable. Mutable means modifiable. Once you're putting a key and a value, next time if you want to change that value, it is possible. There is a possibility of changing that value. Means dictionaries are modifiable. And the other thing that I need to discuss here is about the order of dictionary, that whether a dictionary data structure is ordered or unordered. It depends on the Python that you are using, because if you are using Python 3.7 and above, for those Python 3.7 and above, dictionaries are ordered data structure, but lower than 3.7 dictionaries unordered data structure. So now let's come and discuss about how can we create the dictionary. For creation of dictionary, we have two ways. Either we can use curly braces or we can use dict constructor. So let us discuss. If you want to create a dictionary, for example, if I want to store my marks, then I can use curly braces to create dictionary. The way that we can create dictionary is like this. We know that dictionary is nothing but collection of key and value pairs. We want to write the key and value. How we separate key and value using colon. So this is so much important. For example, if I want to store my maths subject mark, for an example, I have 19 marks, and I want to say, for example, the second subject, for example, science. For science, I have, for example, 98, and the third subject, which is physics, for example, in physics I have 89. So this is nothing but dictionary. This is key number one, value number one, key number two, value number two, key number three, value number three. So if you want to have this type of data structure, then this type of data structure is called dictionary. If you want to print its data type, you can say print, and then you will go type type my marks. Then if you run it, see, you will get the classes data type. The next topic that we need to discuss is how can access the values inside the dictionary. For example, this is my dictionary. How can I print the values? Since we know that in dictionary we do not have index number. So how can I access the values inside dictionary? For accessing the values inside dictionary, I have to write my dict name or dictionary name and then the key. What is my dictionary name here? My marks is my dictionary name, and keys are maths, science, and physics. So there are three keys that I have. For example, if I want to print one of them, then I will write my marks, and then I will write one of the key. For example, if I write maths, see, now it's printing my value. See, this is my dictionary name, this is the key that I have used, and then now it's printing the value. And the next thing that I need to discuss before going to the next topic, that the keys like maths, science, and physics inside dictionary are unique. You cannot repeat them. If you repeat them, the value will be overloaded or the value will be overwritten. For example, if I write again here maths, and I want to, for example, give 97. See, since we know that the keys are unique here, if I have two maths, this maths will be replaced. We will now have maths like which is 90. Now let me print it again. If I write my marks and I run it again, see, I have maths 97. So this math is already replaced. Since we have only unique keys, we cannot have two keys with the same name. We can have two value with the same. For example, if I want to have physics also 97, it is possible. There is no problem. See, if I see, we have physics also 97, but maths also 97. The value can be repeated, but the keys cannot be repeated. The next topic that we need to discuss, how, since we did the dictionaries are mutable, we can change the values of dictionary. So how can we take, now if I want to change the maths marks, for example, now if I run it again, the marks 97, I want to change this one from 97 to 90. How can I do it? Is it possible to do it or not? So for this one, if I want to do, I can use my dictionary name, for example, for my marks, and then I can use the key name, and I give the new value. For example, I want to change it to 89. Then if I again print now my dictionary, my marks and run it again. See, now it is already changed from 97. Maths was 97. Now I could edit it, I could modify it to 89. And the other thing, I can also add a new element to my dictionary. How to add a new element to my dictionary? It is also possible. If I want to add a new element to my dictionary, I will write my dictionary name and then the new key. For example, I want to add a value for biology. So this is another subject. It's very easy and it's possible. Say I will say 79. Again, now if I want to print my dictionary, I will say my mark. So my dictionary name is my marks. See, now biology is also added. So it is possible to edit or to add new keys and values inside dictionary. And the next topic that we need to discuss inside dictionary is dictionary methods. So we have keys, values, and items. If, for example, this is my dictionary, I want to print only the keys. The keys are nothing but my subject names. So if I want to print all the keys, I will use this method. If I want to print only the values, I will use this method. So let's discuss. So my dictionary name is my marks. If I want to only print the keys, then I will write my marks.keys. See, it's just printing the keys. It's not printing the values. Now, if I want to print only the values, I will use my marks.values. It will just only print the values. So the value for math is 89, the value for science is 98, physics is 97, and biology is 79. If I want to print both of them, for example, I want to print both the values and the keys both together, then I will use items. My marks.items. So this will print both the keys and the values. See, it's printing the keys and values as a collection of tuples. So next, we have two methods for removing an item from dictionary. We have pop and clear. If you want to use pop, pop will delete the item based on the keys that we gave for it. For example, if I go inside my dictionary, my marks dot pop. For example, I want to remove the value for maths. And again, now here, if I print my dictionary again, here I need to see maths is not available because I've said to the dictionary to remove the value for this key. And if I want to use clear, what do clear will do? Clear will remove everything from dictionary. For example, let's see my marks dot clear. Now, if I again print my dictionary, you will see nothing because the clear function methods will clear everything out of dictionary. At the end, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe and like the video.